In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock home screen layout in your Android phone. So at first, if I go to app screen, now if you want to add this app to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to your home screen. You can see I can easily do it. But now if I lock my home screen layout, just touch and hold on the home screen, then go to settings option and then scroll down. That's it. Here you can see lock home screen layout option. You have to just enable this option and then go back and then go to app screen again. Now if I try to add this app to home screen, and you can see I cannot do it cause my home screen layout is locked, and then go back. Now you cannot add or remove any apps from your home screen. Suppose if you want to remove this app, just touch and hold it again, then tap on remove, and that's it. Now just go to settings option and then unlock your home screen layout, and it's complete. Now you can easily remove any apps or add any apps. And that is how you can lock home screen layout in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.